Good afternoon. Welcome to Yale University, Yale School of Management. It is great to have you all here on this wet but exceedingly hopeful day.
All right, I'm going to be even faster than usual. In the future, when you are faced with a hard leadership and values question, as I'm sure you all will be, that you will make the right choices and you will make us proud.
By now it's clearly evident, fo-de-ro-de-ro-ro-ro, we're purposeful and eminent, fo-de-ro-de-ro-ro-ro, Eli, 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 Yale, fo-de-ro-de-ro-ro-ro, Eli, 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 Yale, fo-de-ro-de-ro-ro-ro.
We've been taught that transparency is better than secrecy and alliances are stronger than enemies. We know that unfettered competition isn't always advantageous, and sometimes it takes a little co-opetition to win the day.
The last 2 years have been an interesting journey, but what I have come to realize and appreciate the most is that it's being true to your core values is the most important thing.
Another tradition is for you, the graduating class, to stand, turn, and face the audience and applaud families, friends, and supporters who sacrificed in many ways to make your time at SOM possible. Please give your friends an applause. Our first graduate is Benjamin Goldman Healy.
Second graduate, Srinath Sabapathy.
Wenxi Huang, Huang Wenxi. Matthew Irons.
Sandra Osayuki Idehi.
Anthony Magliocco. Julia Otis.
Emma Rachel.
Julia Rozovsky.
Arun Verghese.
The world is just full of change and discontinuities, huge opportunities, I think daunting challenges, and hopefully things that really excite you, as well as what I call escalating complexities. It seems to me that the distinctions that we used to keep in mind between different sectors are all sort of blurring and seem sort of ancient. And the implications for you are, I think that your careers are going to be anything but straight lines. Yet I have the best of feelings for you and for the amazing things that you'll accomplish in your professional lives.
I declare the 2012 commencement ceremonies of the Yale School of Management officially closed.